basho ukuthi okay kunomuntu ogqoka ijurek le
Katlego Scooby-Doo. Okay,
YouTube no sikacabanga ukuthi like akusu pass the prophet beya kuNkulunkulu namtho so ifakele idemon yena idemon nayo unama demon wakhe isponsor izokufanele abantu idemon namtho.
No, I read that story. They are like that thing. Commit suicide, but khona la iSoweto. So ufone angazi bafonele ngathi uyistage ne boyfriend yakhe yese
ngiyajela Mos so okay as angalu ukuthi vele namaqhinga mara hayi so
how do you agree? Yabona like mabathi love is blind. Sayibona le
baba yini so wathi ngifuna
Avi pornography like ati
unabapala kanso Ngiyanomfazi wayekumfazi odlala ngesandla
Thank you for joining us once again. This is Rena's podcast show, and it's our boy Tunim Sesho. Vandaag aan kwijt bafetu i coast there mikoni makamera in 20B.
Hola. Sesbigi.
Too great.
Obviously great. Obvious futhi namhlanje. Over the moon.
Vandaag bafetu episode ya vandaag kahle. Special ngokuthi kune new member le khona la emndenini. New member.
Our new member is Katlego Scooby-Doo. Abanye bayamazi, abanye bafisa ukumazi, abanye basazomazi. So we welcome you cats.
Asibonge guys.
Danko.
So thini ke into zakho thini zibe kanjani mawuqeda ukureceive call ukuthi nenhlekazi so to the span.
So family member.
Family member to the span wena.
Just like that.
Obviously guys, ish being happy but at the same time never ukuthi yo.
Yeah.
At least like I've been waiting for it ukuthi ngikoye and I'm enjoying cool yabona. Ngibe busy nami yabo so yeah.
So
happy otherwise.
So uzonikeza ama guest wethu iyabavumo obathisetsa in what do you bring on the table? You bring Bella, you bring head, you bring like okay girl, we are waiting for that moment guys. Scooby-Doo ngathi uzosiphatha kanje. Uzosiphatha kanje. Uzosiphatha ngohlelo.
Guys.
Mara anyways, no cameraman ukhona lapho umsiyani uphethe izinto lapho awu danko susho umdave abutwa di project ke uhlomba udropile mosina dropile
play kuntshela play sekhona bafethu uzoshila link la kuma comment nangithola sekhona ususho umdave usipanile no Kainanzo 01
bazozwisa
into zasekhaya nangithola into ezinjalo. That was incredible crew man. No one get money grand ukujabula mina bafisi
okay.
Jabula mina 20p more grand yazi ukuthi ukujabula mina yazi. Uthi kwenzakalani eSouth Africa feli?
Yo.
Kwenzakalani?
Kuningi ne.
Kuningi.
And it's getting kuninga. And C1. We are alone in this. Like rebang. Guys, yo, I shame about gender based violence. I never fail. So Scooby-Doo ha fihla go fihlela ka digaqa
yo
go ba go jetsa segaqa so sitshwere 2 days
hello ngaxoxe izinto engiziphethe namhlanje ukuthi hayi guys sakhale eSouth cabangani like injozi FM bathole istory sokuthi khona i-29-year-old woman who was found dead early Monday guys ekseni emlethani guys cabangani
kubi ngaleyo ndlela
and obvious uthole ile ndoda yakhe nomuntu lo bamthole ehomini lakhe
like usibulele or bambulele
gender-based violence
lo muntu
GBV
like akubonisa ukuthi uhambile uphumile shadi ngahamba
so ngathi
yabo so ngathi bambulele
bamqinile
manje bayazi ukuthi ubani kunesuspect
bamqinyile vele
kunesuspect kuleyo nto leyo
allegedly the suspect i-boyfriend
i-boyfriend
unilingena or ukuthi boyfriend abantu inabo mawiki ngeke
ever angithi bazothi innocent until proven guilty if ever beka innocent bengekabaleki why did he
ubalekile
yes it seems like the suspect ubalekile in the premises because of according to landlord allegedly bekakhona nomuntu wakhe then ekseni uyabona ukuthi there's no one coming out of that room but maybe something is wrong it's in your check makafika lapha uthola umntana abantu amakhala nendlebe
ezakhala
uyableeda cabanga like sifike nini la guys
mama boyfriend njani like what kind of a boyfriend
mama guys
amadoda okay let's say a stranger anyeza kwakho aqinye akwenzeni angathathi phone angathathi next angabreakini angathathi next like you see ukuthi why kuyi suspect
kanti ku research yakho kade like abashonga ukuthi suspect maybe boyfriend
hayi lo muntu lo bathi obvious bamkinyile but then ayikho suspect la
like no in this I read that story they are like suspect
umuntu commit suicide uzobonakala
ukuthi commit suicide but akakhona suicide
ngathi abonakala usibekele bamkinyile
manje sithini le ndaba le
khungu boyfriend ukuthi uba i-first suspect number 1 phela
that is why kilisengile layibona
akithola ufuna abantu base-USA that's why uzobasikile like ayithi ufuna abantu base-USA that's why ufunela wala eMzansi nje
no I was but lento le iyangithusa day by day this is not only the story esivelayo la kuney'tori eziningi esivelayo almost every day intombazana ibulaliwe hey kunenye futhi hayibo ngiyayikhohlwa guys South Africa movie hello isigaqa apparently nganyana a stage kidnapping I think 24 years
overall
but angazi uhlala kuphi ngathi it's Dlamini uhlala khona la eSoweto so ufone angazi bafonele ngathi uyistage neboyfriend yakhe yese Mos
ngiyetsho le Mos uyazi ufakela ingqondo
ngathi like allegedly bekaclaima bafuna i200k from the family so ifamily yayenza amaphoyisa avile case eMoroka I'm flying squad hey helicopters roaming bathola ku backrooms nalo muntu akhe aba stage kidnapping cabanga uzodimanda i200k from
ifamily yakhe for a boyfriend
wenzeni
ustage i-kidnapping neboyfriend yakhe yes bekaclaima bekafuna i200k from his family from her family
so obviously ke kusho ukuthi ingcondo zaka boyfriend ngeke azovela acabanga into so ugeli angihala ukuthi vele namachinga mara hayi so
how do you agree uyabona like mabathi love is blind sayibona lento le ngisasho futhi that is why ngisingle
I South Africa vele it's a movie
ubhekene
lama bus drivers uyava
ngizwile ngaze nga research ukuthi
bathi kwenzakalani la
basama vaya like ama bus driver khona babadubulile endaweni ezingafani eshawela mapetla then lesi-EQ kone egarage
so ufa bayingaki bathi bakhona abashonile kuyo bangaka abashonile abayinjani no kwenzakalani
guys baningi abafile
No.
lento lengizokwazi mina ngizizwela nje ngabantu
No, it's two suspects. Babulala abo driver. Fortunately, commuters, laba bagibela amabus, they managed to. But it seems like emotive bengagijimisi abo commuters bebafuna abo driver. It seems like lento le it's a rival between drivers.
ama-taxi driver nama-driver
bakwateleni
Allegedly,
taxi driver
guys.
bathi kwenzakalani wow
obviously bakwatela ukuthi ayinto obvious i-ravaya it's less i-price akhona so abantu bakhetha i-ravaya more than
basave amara basave
yeah
No,
bayasave
yes, lento le this rival started last year. Kahle kahle.
kwenzakaleni nasiphela
Because last year Amaria Vaya is F1, F2 ne C2 bezingasebenzi at all for almost a year. Amabhasi wakhona abili.
C1
F1. I'm a commuter so ngiyazi. Yeah. So bewastopiwe besebenzisa iF9 leyasemapetla. Yeah. So last year wabuya amabhasi iF1 C2 lezi ziya ama-feeder buses wabuya. Mababuya abo taxi driver angithi bajayele ukuthi bayenza imali abantu bathepha out eThokoza Park nase Lakeview then they catch taxis. So manje amabhasi masibawabuyile abasagibeli ama-taxi sibayenzani babugibela ama-feeder buses abayisemakhaya. So that rival started there. Then
but guys ayipheleli lapho iphela ne-train futhi emidweni ayivayi
kwenzakalani emidweni
ba-20 cable
hayi nje masiphela
ngiyesithi abo-taxi driver
No, umuntu but yeah like le yabo driver obviously ama-suspect abo-taxi driver because why baqalile balwa amabhasi wasuspendiwe I think last year for a week.
Ngiyabona ukuthi la emabhasini abo taxi driver no sengikhulumela la semidweni ngabe umuntu nje vele ospecialize
nje yabona abantu abathanisha igama lethu our nation babuthi babakanti kubo
bapi labo
like no but in most cases kutholakala bona yabona ku cable theft
nabantu ababeyemo
yes bayahlangana but abantu abane bigger picture
yeah because I don't think ukuthi amanyawube guys ama-20 cable nyawube
abantu abazimazi
ukuthi cable inemali vele yeah like
kushap
yeah guys so
manje wena sesho uthi kwenzakalani
so kunalo pastor lo like uyale South Africa mara no tholakala e-USA ngithola so mekaye ku service yoka prophet Luve ngithola
oh yeah ngizwile ngaleso
so ngathi lapha lento lemela like situation ngesithi iyabheda ne makafika la babe bamprofessor ukuthi into zakho seziyoba grand uNkulunkulu like ngithola sekazoziveza sike oveza amaphupho akho ngithola
professor ubani
Prophet Luve Luve ya
ubani uprofet lo ubani bamprofetile
ngizothi boma prophet Levi
yeah
so after ke abuyile la ku service situation ivele yaba like boma 20 times better like uvele kabanzima and then I take amademon kahle ushaya sponsor ukuthi kezakalani sikathekwa amademon
obviously lo muntu atheka amademon futhi like bamprofethi baye like angazi kanjani ngoba lo muntu vele washintsha wavela amahonzi ubuso bashintsha like everything nasekuseni makavuka next morning uvele watshintsha waba umunye umuntu unga-understandeki futhi nakhe vele abawesi
like uyovela amahonzi ngathi uthi ubone idemon
yeah ubone idemon obvious and then yeah like yachange leyo nto yabona like iningi nje so it was the time aflyer leyo weekend aflyer ngithi aye California ekuseni kwakhona but then it was a different man
masekabuyele
ekhaya yabona so experience into nje engabo like guys izinto ezingabona
masengibheke ngimlandisisa kahle lento le sho ukuthi lo pastor lo nokupastor mekane sonke na before ayale makabuya
and aware of churches
separating like makabuya vele yasho uchenchile avala isonto
waba yenye into ajoyina ipornography
aba addicted ku pornography like athi
so uthela ukuselela ngani umsana
unabapala kaliso
yo
Nginomfazi wayekumfazi oyedlala ngesandla.
Phela athi makabuya mandini. Uchenchile lo muntu lo. Obe different. After 4 days a divorce and divorce umfazi wakhe after 4 days.
Yo.
Aba addicted ku pornography cabanga. Umfazi uba addicted ku pornography.
Manje sizoyilisa kanjani indaba uhleyile.
Ahlekisa
pastor wonke prophet like
abemabhekile
kusho ureceive makathi I receive my okay receive your
receive
maka guys it's a coincidence yesontweni then mawufika esontweni velo
lo muntu phela moku like lento angingayatshela sene esontweni angifuni ukungimamela like serious lo muntu like who receive demon from prophet
so yena makaya sontweni he didn't foresee ukuthi la ayakhona is not a good place
ngizoshare kuzoba nelink ku comment la istory city ke lo muntu lo usuke mekahlala ke mekatholakala lapha eUSA and then iservice miva California so Friday uthatha flight for iservice mekingathi Saturday mekuyila ngithola into ezinjalo abona bathi ba deliver into ezinjalo deliver service makafika lapha ya ngabona maybe pastor bamlike yabo ukuthi basho ukuthi okay kunomuntu ogcoka ijurek le building yabo and then like according to athi ulovi mekazi ukuthi ukhona lapha ku le building like mesekenza i-background check before uyangithola and then ayena professor ukuthi haluzama kini bathembele kuwe la kuyavuma feel levi and then athi uNkulunkulu sekathi uzophendula ini inthandazo yakhe uzochange uzomultiply ama blessings angithola and then amthinta like mangibhekelela ivideo uyibonisile la makalo ka renew live amthinta ingathi amthandazela ngithola kanti lapho umfaka idemon
so yakade nama professor bekazi
no
bekazi pastor like yena obviously prophet Lovi YouTube no sikacabanga ukuthi like akusu pastor prophet beya kuNkulunkulu ngithola so umfakela idemon yena idemon naye unamademon wakhe isponsor sakhe sokufakela abantu idemon ngithola so makabiyela kwakhe ufly Sunday afika bomada Monday kuseni ofike Sunday awufly like afika Sunday alala Monday makavuka uvuke seka different ilake komunye umuntu like abona khona idemon like lele demon like melibukeke ngathi umuntu nebuso prophet kunama holes ngagcokanga ngithola and then abizi igama la Jesu vele igama la Jesu lifika kwasana igama la Jesu lifika kwasana so ayenzani le demon feli lava makavuka ekseni miseka different like i last yakhe the way bengakhona mengakhona ukuzicontrol aba addict pornography lo muntu ushadile la kuchenchile like lo muntu ushadile lo abhema intsango after 4 days seka separate nomfazi wakhe aba homeless for 4 weeks aba homeless aba nenye vision ke mara ngathi meyabona mawuba bangathi into enzakalayo
but we are feeling it's something real
ulando ubani prophet Lovi bavala like iconvoy imoto so and then baya Kenya I think it's Kenya ngizoshela
ayina lo muntu ehamba yo
like
it's a dream but
vision makafika la kanti bamisa like indawo la kusehlathini izindlu nje kuphela kulezi ama-rondavels ya lapho ke mabafika ke yabona uphuma amatokoloshi laphaya bamfakela lo
Kamatsawuri
uMathiyakayi and then lamatokoloshi lawa hlafuna kwamele angene kuwe so mawungakhuni ungena uProphet Lovi misikabona yabonisa ukuthi hayi la kusekatshintsha sekakwata la kuya lento leya ngithola and then ke feel ngathi nada ubiza igama lika Jesu ngithi igama lika Jesu ifila basana
very powerful
so la church yang understand
yabona njengoba ukhuluma ngamasonto kanje hey sikhisa sonta guys yazi
Phuma nazo
oh guys allegedly like yo please
yeah.
So there was this church around La Epota South I went there. I think it was 2021 mangenza grade 12 hayibo a lot happened banginexiculator yes so la esontweni grade 11 no it was 2020 grade 11 so siyesonto kunesonto elisha bathi hayi kunesonto mina ne best friend yami sithi yazini enter on bathi night all night prayer saya masiko sontweni obvious imfundiso angena hayibo masithi yazi abantu abebahleli lapha uyabona ukuthi angina ngisho amagama mara mawungena esontweni hayibo labantu laba siyabasidlala nabelokishini but kusharp ayisasonta vele sasonta ayibo basithembisa ikipa ukuthi sizoba ama-asha you know ukuthi like when you feel ukuthi yazini sisesontweni lasengine school so like
nama-asha lapho
like and then yabona like the time siyama-asha besibaningi abantu besisonta laphaya but like at some point like mesilokhu sisesontweni besirealize ama-red flags but because I think ukuthi bengisasemncane like yeah so like lo yonke into
matric yakho
grade 11 ngisahlanya so like bengekho mnandi kahle like ekhanda bengisazigabangela izinto zami hayibo sesontweni hayibo esontweni basishayisa amathought after church Belgravia. Yes, after church.
Belgravia.
After church. Angithi ngiyakutshela. And abantu bazothi ukuthi inkamba mangane. And ngale isonto ithembele ihle kahle. But at that point bengifila ngathi ngiyajikela lela sonto angisayi mina. Ngizifuna la.
Lapho esontweni ephuza utshwala.
Yeah, ngizifuna la. Umfundisi wakhona athi uthanda amaphorisa.
DJ Maphorisa.
Athi uzohosta i-event enkulu lapha emagroundini. Athi uzohosta i-event enkulu emagroundini lapha. Lapho dlala ama games omsaba bakhona. Wathi lapho kuzobe kunama artists, kuzobe kunokudla yonke into and thina sizobe singama asha lapha sigcoke igiba zethu ezi-white namakepisi a-white nama-jean. ngale event so sizobe siku VIP and bebasithengisela like yabona umhlaba ukuthi yeah like kahle like obvious because of like ukuthi for a childhood besijabula kabi ukuthi sisesontweni yabona into eziya most every day after school must be esikolweni church sihlala so cleaner for ama night service yabona izinto like besi dedicated beqala after some time wayenza yo like a lot happened angazi apparently
allegedly
I lang it's a vava it's a ngiyadlala but yo a lot happened after that like sekuvela indaba zale sonto leyo ukuthi lenza kanjani uma baka best friend yami wathi alisala kerekeng yo sahla
ukamene zoyini awu
bebasho ukuthi like umfundisi wamanga ini singasayi lapho uma
wena
hayibo
vele uyasho ukuthi ngizosi
yeah like besizifuna lapha bathi ningasayi
utshwala
saya mus after some time bathi hayi lesontweni abantu sebayasho balokhu besikhuza like noma umuntu ahlangana nabo estradeni ngikubonile wena uya lapha yeka uyabona izinto ezinjalo but vele besingake asiyekanga isonto lavala angazi bathi umfundisi wakhona
manje uphelele
umuruti batsotsi
uthi wena ungayidifara kanjani ichurch right nechurch engekho grand
yo
ungabona kanjani mawungena esontweni uthi haleli
yo guys angazi kuya ngebelief yomuntu if uyabelieve ukuthi isonto lakusebenzela leli uyakulo then yeah it's fine but by me mina ayinothanda isonto guys
sibiza umuntu orobo uthiwe kwamele uthande isonto asisasonto yonke icrew nje
like yonke iyasonto
isonto kamtsafika
ke awamele ujwayele
so mina my take okay, my take on this ukuthi si differentiate ama church like me especially ngizothi amasonto abazalwane like I hate to go to church bese bangithembisa izulu nomhlaba ukuthi you're going to get a job, financial breakthrough, hey what like yabona lezi zinto lezi like uzozithola mawusuphakathi esontweni but I believe ukuthi mawuye esontweni mele like bakufundise ngoNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu is there and when the time is right uzozenza izinto zakho zenzakala but not because basibagcobisa ngezinto that mele uye kuphukuphu uyenza like I hate those things and futhi like mawuye esontweni bese umuntu sekathi ngizofuna ukuprofeta
yo but guys as I believe ukuthi like isonto alikho that important like as long as
important
like
when uyathandaza mawukini
ngiyathandaza everyday manguke kuseni
uthiwe isonto awulithandi
not to say ukuthandaza like
yes you can pray but mele uthole ilizwi
wamele esontweni mfethu
guys
hayi kanti akusubelieve kuphela uthole lediboni
kushaphi nathi sicalela so ku-right bengiyithanda isonto
search ungahlangeke ulithole uhlila ngithola
bengilithanda isonto mina
ungalithandi sibonge ukuthi
uyasonta manje
every Sunday I'll get up like
hayi kusebenza kakhulu and yabona sibonge nelanga la Vandaga
yabo
siyabonga isupportini bafethu ningasiphilile amandla bafethu sazwakala bafethu
ungasikhohlwa istatement sedatha
siyabonga ayekele leyo mndeva ntwana iyekele leyo so siyabonga bafethu ke ukuthi nisasenathi anikosiphelele amandla ama subscribers nawo ngiyabona siyakhula bafethu siyabonga kuloko bafethu asibonge bafethu so nale episode afanda kanizwa ispecial angesonto yabona into God yabo so ngibona ku next episode kahle oseke nini manje sikakhona lapho phakathi sikubili uba
welcome to the family
yako
asibonge
thank